Hey guys, in this first example, this is part 2 of 7.1, but we are now talking about summation notation. So if you looked at that last slide, make sure you have summation for finite and infinite for summation and sigma notation. Okay, summation notation is written in the format of, say, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, and then you go ahead and you write it in the fact that you're looking at your first term, I equals 1, and we're going up to the fourth term because 8 is the fourth term, and that is 2 times our term number. So 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and 2 times 4. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to go ahead and write the summation notation for A and B. Now, A, my first term is 25, my second term is 50, my third term is 75, and so on and so forth, and then I go to 250. So, what I see is that I am doing my term number times 25 each time. So that would be 25i. However, I don't know how far it goes. This one ends at 250. So I need to go ahead and solve for I. So I'm going to set it equal to 250, divide by 25, and 25. I is 10. So my series ends at my 10th term. That's going to tell me how to write this. So there's my summation set. I'm going from my first term to my 10th term in my series, and my pattern, my rule, is 25 times my term, which is I. Okay, so don't get X stuck in your head. We're going to be looking at different letters now. However, they all stand for the same thing. Okay, so that one I feel like wasn't too bad. Now, if you look at B, our first term is 1 over 2. Our second term is 2 over 3. Our third term is 3 over 4. And our fourth term is 4 over 5. What I see this as is that it's my term number over my term number plus 1. To check through and make sure it works, I see that in my first term it's 1 over 1 plus 1, so that's 1 over 2, which works. Then I have 2 over 2 plus 1, 2 over 3, that works. So that's going to be my pattern. If you notice, it has that dot, 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 and it doesn't have an ending piece. So that means my end is going to be infinity. So that's going to be my top part. My lower part's going to be 1. So it's saying that at the bottom of it, it's going from my first term, and then it's going on infinitely. So there is no end. And my pattern is I over I plus 1. The next slide is going to have a couple more examples if you need to see more of this.